In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to reopen a closed survey in Surveymonkey. Whether you've closed a survey prematurely or need to extend its response period, reopening it is a simple process. Just follow along and you'll have your survey back up and running in no time. To start, open your web browser and head over to surveymonkey.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Surveymonkey dashboard, where you can manage all your surveys. From here, locate and click on the All Surveys option. This will take you to a list of all the surveys you've created or have access to, making it easy to find the specific survey you're looking to reopen. Next, browse through your list of surveys and select the one you wish to reopen. Once you've found it, click on Edit the Survey. This step allows you to access the survey settings where you can make necessary adjustments, including reopening it for further responses. After entering the survey's edit mode, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options related to your survey. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on View Collectors. Collectors are essentially the methods or channels through which you've distributed your survey. This step is crucial as it's where you'll manage the status of your survey collectors. In the collectors list, identify the one labeled as Close. This indicates the collector that has stopped accepting responses. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to this closed collector. Doing so will display a few more options specific to managing the collector. Finally, select the Open Collector option. By choosing this, you're essentially reopening the survey, allowing participants to submit their responses once again. This action ensures that anyone with access to the survey link or invitation can continue participating. And that's it. You've successfully reopened your closed survey in Surveymonkey. Remember, reopening a survey is a great way to gather additional responses or extend the deadline if needed. It's always a good idea to communicate with your audience to let them know the survey is available again, ensuring you receive as many responses as possible. This straightforward process keeps your data collection efforts flexible and responsive to your project's needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your surveys on Surveymonkey. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out for support. Happy surveying!